Government Boys Higher Secondary School principal no more. Two tested positive in Dolomara. CM Debolal Gorlosa inaugurated stairway for tourists at Didaudi Waterfall. Hello and good morning and a very happy Independence Day to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. I am Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now let's have a look into the news in detail. In another tragic development, Diephu Government Boys Higher Secondary School principal Benjamin Terang became unfortunate victim of coronavirus. Diephu Government Boys Higher Secondary School principal Benjamin Terang became another victim to the virus. Diephu Government Boys Higher Secondary School principal passed away at around 3 a.m. in Guwahati. With this, the number of death toll in Karbi Anglong due to COVID has risen to 6. Later on Friday evening, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang informed on Friday that 9 persons were found positive for COVID-19 in West Karbi Anglong district. Meanwhile, a woman and her 3-year-old son of Men Phangcho under Dolomara police station was tested positive for COVID-19, raising great concerns among the public of the area. The medical team of both Malasi and Dolomara PHC had been organizing testing camp in different locations for alternative days to figure it out the number of positive cases. But only few numbers of people were only tested and many keep their distance away from the medical team. On Friday, out of 30 persons, 28 were tested negative, while 2 persons of the same family was tested positive. According to source, the duo were tested positive and is most likely infected from her husband Jay Phangcho, who has been sick for around 3 days prior to him being tested positive during the testing camp conducted by Malasi medical team. Due to the absence of quarantine center at Dolomara, he was asked to undergo home quarantine, infecting his wife and son. Arjisa Rongphar from Dolomara for Karbi Anglong Live. North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council CEM Debolal Gorlosa on Thursday inaugurated stairway to tourist spot Didaudi Waterfall near Maibang in Dima Hasao. The waterfall is situated around 46 km away from district headquarters Haflong. The concrete stairway to the waterfall has been constructed with railing by its side and has been designed in such a way that revelers can easily climb the steep. Beneath the waterfall, a concrete platform with cement couch and a small dam are also constructed for the convenience of visitors. During the day, several sportsmen, modelers, singers and other artists who brought laurel to the district were also felicitated. Earlier, CM Gorlosa also inaugurated extension of paying cabin at 30-bedded Maibang Rural Hospital and a newly completed approach road and rest house cum gallery near the waterfalls. The CM was accompanied by North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council Chairperson Ranu Langthasa, EM Nandita Gorlosa, EM Samuel Changsan, EM Gamrothang, MAC Nojit Kemprai, MAC Project Hojai, MAC Bijit Langthasa, MAC Bimol Hojai, Dima Hasao BJP President Don Panyan Thousand and other dignitaries. Suraj Burman reporting from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. With eyes set on Assam State Legislative Assembly election to be held next year, the BJP party under the Pung Aji polling station held a party meeting on Thursday. The meeting was convened following reports of entry of other political parties with the motive to voters of the area for the election. The meeting was organized by the Pungaji left-wing BJP area unit on Thursday at around 12 and was attended by Mahamaya Mandal President Purno Ingti, ex-VDC Chairman Longsing Tokbi, DMB Chairman Biren Singh Teron and several others of the Saffron Party. During the meeting, Pungaji left-wing leaders urged upon party supporters to continue their support to the BJP and allow EM Lunsing Teron carry out developmental works in the area and constituency. The leaders also urged upon party supporters to strengthen the party by being loyal to the party. During the meeting, party supporters also gave their pledge of loyalty towards the party and to continue carry out the mission of the BJP.
Samsing Engti reporting from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live.
Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Stay safe and keep watching Karbi Anglong Live.